Adventures of Bushi. So we're here kwa Mstuni, literally inaitwa Kambi Mstuni. I'll show you the place tomorrow, the whole tour, how the place looks like. So stay tuned, guys. Good morning, adventurous people from another world. I told you guys by the journey to Lifika like so late, but at least we get to tour early in the morning. So come with me if you really love nature. Let's go take a walk. The sun is already out. I'll just show you the whole place. Over Kenya. There's so many hidden gems within Kenya, and everywhere I go, I just find it to be better. So if you're here on my YouTube channel, go and subscribe, hit that like button, comment. Camping from Kambi, Mstuni, and this place is really cute. If you really love nature, this is the place to be. You can see the view behind me. It's just all green, whether it's like Kipia County. It's kind of far away from the road, but wow. So here is the symbol. Damn guys, there are peacocks here. Disturb the peacocks, so you can just watch but not disturb them. Guys, look at the view behind me. Damn, it's all green. My goodness, damn. So guys, here's the bonfire place. You can even see like it was late yesterday night, but now it's just ashes. Damn, this place can get very cold. Let me just warn you guys, at night it gets kind of cold, so you really need the bonfire. I think I should just call this episode of Adventure Green and Nature. Oh. Follow me to my camera. Yeah, sana adabu. Let's eat. I'll tell you how it tastes. Hey guys, so where are we going?
We're going for bike riding.
Yay, adventure time! Good morning guys. So today is the day we're leaving. We've stayed here for 2 days. I'd actually rate the place 8 out of 10. Like, it was a good experience. There's so many activities you can do. There was bike riding. I did bike riding. I did swimming. There was horse riding. There's boat riding too if you want. So actually there's so many activities you can do.